This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use extract, detach, append to polygon and fill hole in Maya. Alright? Now, there will be times when you may need to separate certain parts of an object from the rest of it that you model, so that you can model them separately to add more detail without affecting the base model. And there you will find the need for such options like extract and detach. Let us take a look at how it works. First, we need to switch to the component mode such as the face mode, and then select the faces or polygons that we want to separate from rest of the object. And then go to Edit Mesh and click on Extract. This will separate those polygons from rest of the object, and now they will behave completely as separate objects. You can select both of them separately as different objects now, with their own manipulators. Alright? Now, the detach option does the same thing as extract, except for the fact that if we use detach, it will definitely separate these polygons from the rest. But these separated polygons will still remain the part of the same object when we switch to the object mode. This is useful when we want to model certain parts of objects separately, but we still want them to be a single object. Alright? Coming to the Append to Polygon tool, it is used to insert faces in between other faces, and it needs at least two edges to create a face in between. Let us take a look at how it works. Here, I have this object with gaps in between that I need to fill up with faces. I can switch to the component mode and select the edge mode. Now go to Mesh Tools and click on Append to Polygon. With this tool active, you can click on two opposite edges one by one and press the Enter button to insert a face. You need at least two edges to create a quadrilateral face in between. And these edges must belong to two different lines of edges. They shouldn't lie within the same line, otherwise this tool is not going to work. Always keep in mind that whenever a tool is not working properly as intended, it means that we are certainly missing the criteria in which that tool can work as it should. Alright? Now what if we had to fill up a gap with more than two edges or sides, like this one, with 8 edges in a loop? It cannot be properly filled up with Append to Polygon tool even if we try to do with it because of the way it works. In such a case, we can use fill hole option. But first, we have to select the edge loop by double clicking on any of these edges, and then going to Mesh and click on Fill Hole. This will fill the gap with an n-gon, which is a polygon with more than 4 sides. N represents the number of sides such as 5, 6, 7 and so on. Later, this n-gon can be splitted up into quadrilaterals using the multicut tool. Somewhat like this. Alright? So this is how we can use extract, detach, append to polygon and fill hole in Maya. See you in the next video.